Let's see how to create scrolling images and WordPress using free Elementor. Welcome to softexpert. In this short video you will learn how to create such images that scroll on mouse over, or you can have manual scroll. So if you want to display your portfolio or long images in a scrolling format, you can do it easily by watching this video. Let's have a look at some examples. This is the first example. If I bring my mouse here, it will start scrolling. So this is horizontal scroll and this is vertical scroll. So you can have both vertical scroll and horizontal. We have some other examples. So you can have scroll and hover, or you can have manual scroll like this. Okay, you can scroll the image from here, and this is very easy to decide. You can just change the direction and then change the trigger. You can also display an overlay or an icon, okay, like this one. So you can give a user an idea that this is a scrolling image. Then you can also display some badges like this, and you can have masks as well. So let's see how we can have such scrolling images in our WordPress Elementor website. And for this we will be using a free plugin called X-Pro Addons for Elementor. Besides their scrolling images, this plugin has 140 plus widgets available that you can see over here. You can use this plugin for all these widgets. Let's go to our WordPress website to create their scrolling image. Okay, this is a website built with Elementor. I'll just go to its dashboard and let's install that plugin. So we will go to plugins, add new, and we will search for X-Pro. So you will get a couple of plugins from X-Pro. This is the one that we will be using, X-Pro Addons for Elementor. If you need a theme builder for Elementor, you can use this plugin. And this is a slider for Beaver Builder and so on. Let's go with this plugin. I'll just install and activate it. Once you activate it, you will see a new tab here, X-Pro Addons. So this is the dashboard and these are the widgets. Here you can enable and disable the widgets that you need. Okay, so just make sure to enable the image scroll. Let's scroll down and you can see it's already enabled. Okay, now we can go ahead and use it in any page. Let's edit any page with Elementor. I'll go to pages. Let's edit home page with Elementor. Let's scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay, if I search for image scroll, and this is the image scroller from X-Pro Addons and this is from Royal Addons. Okay, you can use any of them. I have videos about Royal Addons as well. So for now let's use this one. Now here I will have to choose an image. You can see it's already scrolling. So I'll click on it and I can use any image. Let me upload one. So I have this website screenshot and I will use this. Okay, let's select it. This is our image. Okay, now we can do further settings for it. Okay, so I'll just add a new container here having 2 columns or containers, and I will drag it over here. Now if you want to change the direction, you can just go here and make it horizontal. Okay, but this was a vertical image and the trigger is on mouse over. Okay, so you can change this to manual. So now I can scroll it manually. Let's make it mouse over, and you can make it reverse if you want to. Now if I bring my mouse here, this will be in reverse. And this is the duration. You can increase and decrease it. Let's make it 10 just to show you. Okay, now you can notice the change in the speed. Let's make it 5. And this is the image mask. If you want to enable a mask for it, like a shape, you can have different shapes. Okay, try these shapes and you can keep the one that you need. And let's remove it for now. And this is the image solution. So this is a full image. You can change it, and then an overlay. So if you want to enable an overlay like a mouse icon, you can just use it. Okay, and if you want to enable badge, this is the badge. Okay, I'll call this portfolio or something, and this is the box link. So if you want to link this to a specific website or a page, you can write that link over here. Then for further styling, you can go to style tab, and this is the image height, which is 300. You can increase and decrease it. Okay, this is the opacity. CSS filter, blend mode, and then overlay and beige. So you can do settings for it like to center, top left, and so on. This is the typography, offset, and text color and background color. Okay. Then border type and so on. All these things are very simple, so I'm not going in much detail. Okay. So this is just one example, and let's have another one. So I'll just copy and paste it. And for this one we will use a horizontal image, so let's click here and let's use this one and just select it, and let's change the direction to horizontal. I'll go to style and will decrease the the height 400, and that's it. Now you can give it a title or something. And let's publish it. We'll preview it, and that's it. We have vertical scroll and horizontal. Let's give them some border radius. And that's it. This is a vertical scroll and this is horizontal. So I hope the video will be helpful for you, and to learn more just follow my channel, and still if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.